In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a kill counter in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio on your PC. From the Explorer panel on the right side, click on the plus icon next to the server script service. Now select script to create a new one. Go to the properties panel from the top left side, and on the right, give your script a name like death or kills. Next, paste the kill counter script inside the script editor. After that, click the plus icon next to your death or kills script. This time, add another script under it. Rename this one to data stored and paste the data store script inside it to help save player stats. You can add more features later if you want, like leaderboards or kill messages. Now click play to test the game and check if the kill counter works correctly. That's how you set up a basic kill counter in Roblox Studio. If you'd like to grab some cool Roblox merch, check out the links in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy through it, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and I only link products that I think my viewers would enjoy. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.